If you happen to have $10,000 on hand, are you wondering how to invest it? Forget about traditional overcrowded financial markets like stocks, bonds, and Forex. You should be focusing on the latest investment trend. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the entire world, and this is the opportunity you need to seize. How can AI help you make money? The method is actually quite simple, and a small group of investors are already practicing it and seeing good returns. If you want to know more, stay with me for the next 60 seconds and I'll introduce you to this method. My name is NASA. I am not a seasoned traditional financial investor. In fact, I only have 2 years of trading experience, yet my annual return rate exceeds that of 90% of professional investors. My secret to success is using AI for intelligent arbitrage. AI is the best trader in the world. It has powerful computing capabilities that help us analyze vast amounts of data in real time and quickly find arbitrage opportunities. AI doesn't have human psychological weaknesses and can strictly follow and execute predefined trading strategies. Think about it. Haven't you lost money in the stock market because of these two reasons? I have already helped 1,000 people master this complete method, 80% of whom had never invested before. All you need is a computer, and you can, like them, easily earn passive income from the comfort of your home. If you want to join them, I have prepared a free tutorial to show you in detail the secrets of how AI makes money. Finally, let me tell you, this is not my own invention. It's a windfall of the times. I just discovered this secret earlier than you did. If you also want to become a lucky person riding the trend, click here and let me share this secret with you in full. Join our community now to get the complete tutorial.